Hello there, welcome back. What I have today is Tin Man 13. I don't know who the challenge lock was pinned up by, but it was sent to me by Andy97 off the UK Locksport forum, and he had a little bit of trouble in picking this, so hopefully we can get this picked and good today. I will be using the Peterson gem in 18,000, and I'll be using Top of the Keyway. Straight and looking for a binder. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Click on 3. Click on 4. Click on 5. Little click on 6. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Little click out of 3. Counter rotation on 1. Little click there. Little click on 4. Little click on 3 there. Got a little bit of a false set going. 5 feels solid. Little click out of that. Little click on 5 again. Start to lose all feedback. I think that's pin 4. Click out of 4 there. Nothing seems to be giving any feedback at the minute. Just take it slow. Little bit on 1 there. Little bit on 3, got a bit of a false set going. Pin 5. Slipped off a pin there. Pin 5 again there. Got a big click out of him, went into a deeper false set. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. 3 seems to be giving a little bit, but I'll try elsewhere first. Got a click out of 5 there, I think it was. Click out of 4. One feels set. 2 I'm getting a little bit of counter on. Seems to have freezed up a bit. Try pin 2. Nope. 3, 4. Little click out of 5 there. Back to 2. Got a little click. 2 again. Thought we had it there. Got a deeper false set. Nothing on 1. And 2. And we do have an open, yes. We do have an open on 2. That was a very nice little lock to pick there. Don't think I have a flathead screwdriver, so fine for now. Yep. I will shim it, as there was a lot of clicks in there. I will shim it if I can. I was going to use this follower, but this follower will fit onto the back a bit better, I think. We'll go straight through, hopefully no hang-ups. No hang-ups, but the shim didn't go through with it at all, so we were quite lucky there. Thankfully. The lock does have no key, so we won't be able to check it against the key, but pin 1 has threads in, pin 2 threads, everyone has threads in, and as you can see, everything needed to be picked. That's quite a lot of serrations in one there. We will take a look at the end. Some very nice pins coming out of this lock. I think that one's a standard. And a T-pin. We will take a look upstairs. That is a very weird looking pin. Looks like a spool with a serration in the middle and a tiny spring. That looks like a reduced diameter serrated T-pin, so that's what was holding us up at the end. Another small spring. Serrations, sorry about that, with a reduced diameter tip. So I think this is why I was getting a lot of clicks in this lock. This one's barely breaking the shear line. A tiny spool. With a brass spring. We'll get the rest from the back. As I said, we will have a look at these in a second. That one is a steel spring. And that one is a pin in pin. With another brass spring. We'll just get something to look. No, the core, everything is standard in the core, so we'll take a look at these pins. Some very nice looking pins here. We have a serrated key pin with quite a lot of serrations in, and a reduced diameter spool in that one. A spooled key pin with a reduced diameter T-pin. Serrations with a sort of barrel pin sort of thing on the end. A torpedo pin. Serrated with a tiny spool. A standard with a spool in a T-pin type of way. Does that look like light serrations in there? It does. Light serrations in the bottom of that pin. And reduced diameter with a T-pin on the end. And a T-pin key pin. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching. Absolutely great lock to pick. Thank you very much, Andy, for sending it. And that's about all. Bye for now. Thank you.